Hi, I am Rajab Lignain, a software developer at Venable Instruments. In this short video, I will talk about the math functions tool in the Venable Stability software. The math tool is one of the most useful features in the Venable Stability software. It can be used to calculate the parasitic components of RLC circuits. In addition, the math tool can help you to predict the overall feedback loop transfer function before you install the compensator circuit components. The math tool window has four main components: left operand and right operand, which could be either a dataset or a scalar. Action options is a selection of math operation. The action option will be populated with a different sets of actions depends on the graph type currently displayed. One set of options for the gain phase and the Nyquist graphs, and another set of options for the impedance phase graph. There are no math options for voltage graphs. And the last component is the plot button, which is used to execute the operation and plot the dataset. In this video, I will calculate the loop gain transfer function for the DC-DC converter TPS 54310 EVM port using the measured feedback gain and the open loop gain transfer functions. Then we will compare the calculated loop gain to the actual loop gain transfer function to show the math tool accuracy. All the measured transfer function datasets are stored in a Venable file. First, we run the Venable Stability software, and then we open the Venable file. The file contains three datasets. The first dataset is for the measured error amplifier transfer function. The second dataset is for the measured power transfer function, and the third dataset is for the measured loop gain. For now, we hide the loop gain transfer function. The loop gain transfer function is calculated by multiplying the error amplifier transfer function by the power stage transfer function. To do this calculation, we go to the math tool and we select the measured transfer function dataset of the error amplifier for the left operand, and we select the measured transfer function dataset of the power stage for the right operand. Next, we select multiplying from the action options. Finally, we click on the plot button. The software will perform the math operation on the two dataset and plot the calculated loop gain in the active graph. Now we compare the calculated and the measured loop gain transfer function. First, we hide the error amplifier and the power stage datasets and show the measured loop gain dataset. From the plot, we can see that the calculated results are very close to the measurement. Additionally, the plot clearly shows that the feedback open loop is poorly compensated. We will go into this in details in another video and show how to use the synthesis tool in Venable Stability to design a compensator. Thanks for watching this video about the math function tool. Visit Venable website for more blog tutorials.